I know it's hard to see in the dark, but oh my, those are the shrimp tacos. That's
fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp.
And these are the fish tacos.
Fish tacos. And what kind of tacos, Sally?
Kalua pork.
Kalua pork. And then side fries.
Sunset just went down. It was absolutely gorgeous, and for my first time here in Hawaii, I really love that. I mean, you can kind of see out there along there. The sun is just peeking out just a little bit back there. Absolutely gorgeous. Loved it. This trip has been awesome so far, so you'll get to see me the next couple days.
Laughing because it's raining and the kids are out there right now. I thought to myself, hey, what an opportunity to vlog to you guys. Yeah, so we made it all the way to North Shore, and we were filming the sunset, and I had the drone out, and we saw this beautiful rainbow. I'll insert that here. So the rainbow was starting to form, and I said, well, that means it's raining. So right now everybody's running back into their cars that are here to watch the sunset. This is something you can do while you're in the North Shore. So there's all the people that are beach goers, they're still at the beach, believe it or not. And so Justin and Ellie are now doing what I'm doing, but they decided that the sunset wasn't as important as how wet they are now. So it's absolutely gorgeous here. I'm so glad we're doing this. So we're gonna go to a seafood restaurant tonight, and looks like they're coming in. So we'll see you in a minute. All right, so we're in Haleiwa, and we are going to have some amazing dinner here. I will show you a menu, and what a cool treat. All right, I'll bring you along. See you in a minute. So I'm being told to try this ahi katsu plate. So yeah, what do you think? Go for it? Let's do it. All right, guys, it looks like we ordered our food. I had the ahi, and what you have, Allie?
I got the Kalua pork tacos and a smoothie.
That sounds good. And Justin?
And then I got the fried shrimp and some fish tacos. Yeah.
Fish tacos?
Yeah. Sounded pretty good.
I wanted fish taco. Oh, I got a shrimp taco too. I almost forgot. So, all right, this is pretty cool. This place is very popular. What city are we in, Allie? I can't remember.
We're in Haleiwa, up on North Shore.
Awesome. Cool. All right, guys, we'll see how it comes out. All right, guys, so all our food came. So this is the ahi. I know it's hard to see in the dark, but oh my, those are the shrimp tacos. That's
fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp.
And these are the fish tacos.
Fish tacos. And what kind of tacos, Sally?
Kalua pork.
Kalua pork, and then side fries. All right, so yeah, there's a lot of food here, so just take my word for it. It's kind of dark to do a little eat in front of you. And I'll come back and see you later. I'll let you know. Bye. So I came back because I just had this mac salad. And I said, there's no way I'm not going to film this experience. So the mac salad was to die for it. Now I'm going to try this ahi tuna. Okay. Hands down, the flavors are amazing. It kind of reminds me of like a tempura batter, and it's got some Asian, like the taco sauce that you would get in a sushi restaurant, and the sauce, aioli sauce on top is kind of has maybe some sriracha in it. Yeah, winner. I love it. Absolutely love it. Come here if you come to Hawaii. All right, bye. The reason why I came back is because of this mac salad. It's probably hands down the best mac salad I've ever had in my life. In fact, my son said, Dad, do you want me to go get another side order? Without hesitation, I said, absolutely. All right, guys, see you soon. Dinner was amazing. What you think, Allie?
That's good.
And the rain is starting to drip. All right, we got to get back to the car. We got about an hour, not an hour.
Yeah,
an hour drive home. What is it, 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
Oh, 10 after 8. All right, we'll see you guys later.
Is it that close?
All right, guys. Dinner was amazing. Oh my gosh. Another successful moment in Hawaii for dinner. Sorry you can't see me. I'm trying not to hit my head on the umbrellas. But yeah, that was pretty cool. All right, guys. Wow, what a fun day we had. We are, wow, I'm telling you, it's nonstop. And I gotta be careful because there's a lot of little potholes here and that ankle is still healing, so. Dinner was amazing. Gotta go here. Okay, we'll see you guys soon.